Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1-2 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to search for someone in OkCupid. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for OkCupid. Let's tap on this one and you can choose any browser you want. So let's go for this one. Now in the search bar over here, so let's tap on this. Now type profile and slash and write the profile name or the username you want to search. Now tick mark. Here we can see this. The profile we are searching for does not exist or is private. And if you do same and search for any valid profile or the username, you can find the profile over here. So this is it. So this is all you can do to search for any profile in OkCupid. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.